Hello everyone, welcome to the Learning Platter CS. Hope everyone is doing good और आप सबकी प्रिपरेशंस बहुत अच्छे से चल रही हैं. तो आज से हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं MCQ सीरीज़, जिसमें सबसे पहले हम डिस्कस करेंगे MS ऑफिस और कंप्यूटर फंडामेंटल्स. ठीक है, बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स की डिमांड थी कि पहले इनके MCQs कराइए, ये नहीं मिल रहे हैं हमें. तो सबसे पहले हम कर रहे हैं MS वर्ड के MCQs. 90 MCQs डिस्कस करेंगे हम इस वीडियो में. अगर आपने चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं की है तो कर लीजिए, ताकि आने वाले वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस आपको टाइमली मिलते रहें. तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से. द सॉफ्टवेयर दैट इज यूज्ड टू क्रिएट टेक्स्ट बेस्ड डॉक्यूमेंट आर रेफर्ड टू एज DBMS, सूट्स, स्प्रेडशीट्स एंड वर्ड प्रोसेसर्स. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज वर्ड प्रोसेसर. What is MS Word? A game, an operating system, word processing software, typing tutor software, and it is word processing software. MS Word allows creation of dash type of documents by default. .doc, .wpf, .txt and .dot. And the correct answer is .doc. A detailed description, written description of the programming cycle and the program along with the test results and a printout of the program is called documentation, output, reporting या spreadsheet. And the correct answer is documentation. If you want to keep track of different editions of a document, which features will you use? Editions, versions, track change, या all of these. And the correct answer for this is versions. Next, latest edition of MS Office is Office 2007, Office 2013, Office Vista या Office N. And the correct answer is Office 2013. The document can be zoomed maximum up to 400%, 150%, 200% या 500%. And the correct answer is 500%. Which file starts MS Word? winword.exe, word.exe, msword.exe and word 2003.exe. And the correct answer is winword.exe. Next we have which input device cannot be used to work in MS Office. And the options are scanner, light pen, mouse and joystick. And the correct answer is joystick. MS Office provides help in many ways. Which of these are more closer to the answers? What's new, Office Assistant, help menu and all of these. And the correct answer is all of these. Next we have to activate Office Assistant, click at dash menu, tools, view, insert and help. And the correct answer is help menu. For creating a document, you use dash command from file menu. For creating a document, open, close, new या save. And the correct answer is new. To save a document for the first time, dash option is used. Save as, save first, save on and copy. And the correct answer for this is save as. ठीक है, तो जब भी हम फर्स्ट टाइम सेव करें तो सेव पे क्लिक करते ही वो हमें कहाँ ले जाता है? सेव एज विंडो पर ले जाता है. सेव एज विंडो पर जब जाएंगे हम तो वहाँ पे वो हमारे से नेम और लोकेशन पूछता है. ठीक है, उसके बाद जब एक बार हमने सेव कर दिया, अपना फाइल नेम दे दिया, फिर हम उसको बार बार सेव पर क्लिक करेंगे तो वो सेव होता चला जाएगा. Then which of the following commands is used to give a file a name and a place to live? Save, save as, creating a file and paste. So यहाँ पे भी आपका करेक्ट ऑप्शन क्या रहेगा? सेव एज रहेगा. सेव एज विंडो हमारी ओपन होती है, उसमें आप नेम देते हैं फाइल का और प्लेस देते हैं कि कहाँ पे आपने उस फाइल को सेव करना है. ठीक है, तो आप ये प्रैक्टिकली एक बार करके देखेंगे तो आपका इस क्वेश्चन में ज़रूर डाउट होगा, तो वो क्लियर हो जाएगा. Which option is used to use a paragraph at another place without removing it from the first place? And the options are rotate, copy paste, delete and move. And the correct answer is B, that is copy paste. Next question is which option may be used to change page size and margins? And the options are page setup, view, tools and data. And the correct option is page setup. Next we have to see the document before the printout is taken. Use insert table, paste, format printer and print preview. And the correct answer is print preview. The default page size for Word document is letter, legal, A4 या all of these. And the correct option for this is letter. Next we have, which of the following options is used to display information such as title, page number of the document? Insert table, autocorrect, thesaurus, and header and footer. And the correct option for this is header and footer. Which of the following is not one of the 3 mail merge helper steps? Merge the 2 files, create the main document, set the mailing list parameters, create the data source. And the correct answer for this is C, that is set the mailing list parameters. In Word, the mailing list is known as the datasheet, source, data source and sheet. And the correct answer is data source. In MS Word, mail merge command is available under edit menu, view menu, insert menu या tool menu. And the correct option for this is tool menu. In Word 2007, from which menu you can insert header and footer? And the options are insert menu, view menu, format menu and tools menu. And the correct answer is insert menu. Next, usage of autocorrect and auto text is restricted to current page, current document, all the opened document, both A and B. And the correct answer is all the opened document. A major step before taking print of the document is to save the document, to set paper settings, to see print view of the document, both B and C. And the correct option is both B and C, to set paper settings and to see print view of document. Next, which option in file pull down menu is used to close a file in MS Word? Quit, new, close and exit. And the correct option is close. On which toolbar you can find Format Painter tool? Standard toolbar, formatting toolbar, drawing toolbar and picture toolbar. And the correct answer is standard toolbar. In MS Word, RTF stands for real-time formatting, real-time fonts, rich text format and really text files. And the correct answer is rich text format. The figures and lines etc. made by computer is called editing, graphics, drum or pinnacle. And the correct answer for this is graphics. Which of the following is graphic solution for word processor? ClipArt, WordArt, DropCap, all of these. And the correct answer for this is ClipArt. Which type of files cannot be navigated using ClipArt browser? AVI, BMP, WAV or MP3 files? And the correct answer is MP3 files. Next, Word automatically changes the font color of these: email addresses, web addresses, mailing address in US and both A and B. And the correct answer is both A and B, email address and web address. User can use dash commands to search for and correct words in a document. And the options are print and print preview, header and footer, find and replace, spelling and grammar. And the correct option for this is find and replace. On selecting the replace option from the edit menu, the dialog box appears with this name. And the options are file, replace, file and replace, edit. And the correct answer is find and replace. What happens when you click on insert picture clipart? It inserts a clipart picture into document. It lets you choose clipart to insert into document. It opens clipart taskbar, all of the above. And the correct option is C. It opens clipart taskbar. Which key should be pressed to start a new paragraph in MS Word? Down cursor key, enter key, shift plus enter key and control plus enter key. And the correct option is enter key. To select a line in MS Word, press this key and click anywhere in the sentence. This key is Shift, Control, Alt, all of these. And the correct answer is Control. Next, auto text can be used to insert dash in document. text, graphics, picture, both of these, both A and B, sorry. So the correct answer is both A and B, text and graphics. What should be done to change the word from KIIL to KILL? Insert, add, type over, any of these. And the correct answer is type over. Status bar is available in software windows. Just above the taskbar, just below the taskbar, just above scroll bar, all of these. And the correct answer for this question is A, that is just above the taskbar. Next, Word offers certain ways in which user can move around in a document. By scrolling, by moving to a specific page directly to first and last pages, all of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above. In MS Word, using find and replace features, you can replace both text and formatting, replace text only, replace formatting only, replace document name only. And the correct option is replace text only. If you need to hide some text, how can you do it? From paragraph dialog box, from font dialog box, from options dialog box, yeah, all of these. And the correct option for this is from font dialog box. The bar at the top of the window that bears the name of the window is known as status bar, menu bar, control panel, or title bar. And the correct option for this is D, that is title bar. A word gets selected by clicking it once, twice, 3 times, or 4 times. And the correct answer for this is B, that is twice. In MS Word, frame can include graphics, text, tables, and all of these. And the correct answer for this is all of these. Graphics is inserted in box, frame, page, or all of these. And the correct answer is all of these. Formatting is performed on text, table, both A and B, menu. And the correct option for this is C, that is A and B. Formatting can be done on text as well as table. If you need to change the typeface of a document, which menu will you use? Edit, format, view, your tools. And the correct option for this is C, that is format. Which of these toolbars allow to changing fonts and their sizes? Standard toolbar, formatting, print preview, yeah, all of these. And the correct answer is formatting toolbar. How can you access the font size tool on formatting toolbar? Control S, Control plus Shift plus S, Control P, या Control plus Shift plus P. And the correct answer for this is Control plus Shift plus P. To stand out a word, which option can be used? Stand out, delete, print, bold. And the correct answer for this is bold. Bold, italic, regular are known as font styles, font effects, word art, या text effects. And the correct answer is font styles. Thesaurus tool in MS Word is used for spelling suggestions, grammar options, synonyms and antonyms words, all of the above. And the correct answer is synonyms and antonyms words. What is the default left margin in MS Word 2007 document? 1 inches, 1.15 inches, 1.5 inches, 2 inches, and none of these. And the correct option for this is 1.15 inches. Each line represents how many letters in word star? 20, 65, 75, and 35. And the correct answer for this is 65. How many alignments are there in MS Word? 3 alignments, 4, 5, या 2. And the correct answer for this is 4. Which of the following are valid minimum and maximum zoom sizes in MS Office? 10-100, 10-1000, 20-250 and 10-500. And the correct answer is 10-500. What is the maximum scale percentage available in scale drop down box in MS Word 2003? 500, 200, 100 and 90. And the correct option is 200. What is the maximum font size you can apply for any character? 163, 1638, 16038 and 6038. And the correct option is 1638. Dash is family of styles such as Arial, Geneva, Modern, etc. Format, font face, form letter, form. And the correct option is font face. Which tab in font dialog box contains options to apply font effects? Font tab, character spacing, text effects, standard toolbar. And the correct option is font tab. What is placed to the left of horizontal scroll bar? Tab stop buttons, view buttons, split buttons, indicators. And the correct option is view buttons. Magnifier button is available on print preview toolbar, standard toolbar, formatting toolbar, both A and C. And the correct option is A, that is print preview toolbar. It is a mark, normally round or a square dot. Number, bullet, indentation, both B and C. And the correct option is B, that is bullet. Which of the following line spacing is invalid? Single, double, triple, multiple. And the correct answer is triple. Where can you find the horizontal split bar on MS Word screen? On the bottom of vertical scroll bar, on the mid of vertical scroll bar, on the top of vertical scroll bar, or any of the above? And the correct option for this is any of the above. What is the smallest and largest font size available in font size tool on formatting toolbar? 8 and 72, 8 and 64, 12 and 72 and 16 and 64. And the correct option for this is 8 and 72. Macros are automatically set to use relative references, absolute references, mixed references, and all of the above. And the correct option for this is A, that is relative references. Selection of text can be from single word or line, a paragraph, a complete document, yeah, all of these. And the correct option is all of these. Which of the following is the second step in creating a macro? Start recording, using your mouse or keyboard, perform the task you want to automate, assign a keyboard shortcut to the macro, give the macro a name. And the correct option for this is give the macro a name. Drop cap is a formatting option in MS Word that allows you to insert a normal capital letter, normal small letter, fancy small letter and large capital letter. And the correct option is large capital letter, जो कई बार हम पैराग्राफ की स्टार्टिंग में एक स्मॉल बड़ा लेटर ले लेते हैं, ठीक है, कैपिटल कर देते हैं एक सिंगल कैरेक्टर को, वो चल. What is the default number of lines to drop for drop cap? And the options are 3, 10, 15 and 20. And correct option is A, that is 3. How many different positions can you set for drop cap? 1, 3, 4 and 6. And the correct option is 3. 3 different positions are there. Which of the following is used to create newspaper style columns? Format tabs, table, insert text box, format columns. And the correct option is format columns. How can you increase the font size of selected text by 1 point every time? By pressing Ctrl plus square bracket, by pressing Ctrl plus this opening square bracket, by pressing Ctrl plus curly braces, closing curly braces, and by pressing Ctrl plus opening curly braces. And the correct answer is A, that is by pressing Ctrl plus closing square bracket. Next is, how can you break the table in 2 parts? Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter, press Ctrl plus Enter, press Ctrl plus Enter, Alt plus Enter, फिर Ctrl plus Enter, फिर press Alt plus Shift plus Enter. And the correct option is A, that is Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter. What is the default font size of a new Word document based on a normal template? 10 point, 11 point, 14 point, all of these. And the correct option is B, that is 11 point. What is the smallest width of a column? 0 inches, 0.5 inches, 1 inches and 1.5. And the correct answer is B, that is 0.5 inches. To auto fit the width of column, double click the right border of column, double click the left border of column, double click the column header, all of the above. And the correct option is A, that is double click the right border of the column. Next we have, which command is used to close the active window but does not exit Word? Control plus W, Control plus C, Control plus O and Alt plus F4. And the correct option for this is A, that is Control plus W. Default alignment of table in a default alignment of text in a table: upper right of cell, upper left of cell, middle of cell, both A and B. And the correct option is B, upper left of cell. How can you disable extended selection mode? Press F8 to disable, press del, press escape and press enter. And the correct option in this case is press escape to disable. To double underline the text, dash is used. Control plus shift plus D, Control plus D, shift plus D and Alt plus. And the correct answer for this is Control plus shift plus D. What is the shortcut key you can press to create a copyright symbol? Alt plus Control plus C, Alt plus C, Control plus C and all of these. And the correct answer is Alt plus Control plus C. Next, Control plus 1 is used to double space line, single space line, change text to heading 1, change text to heading 1.1. And the correct answer for this is single space line, B. ठीक है, ये सभी हमने जो शॉर्टकट कीज़ हैं ये एक वीडियो में डिस्कस की हुई हैं. अगर आपने वो नहीं देखी है तो एग्ज़ाम में जाने से पहले वो वीडियो ज़रूर देखना जिसमें हमने सभी शॉर्टकट कीज़ को डिस्कस की है, क्योंकि एक दो क्वेश्चंस शॉर्टकट कीज़ से ज़रूर आते हैं. What is the shortcut key to open the open dialog box? F12, Shift F12, Alt plus F12 and Control plus F12. And the correct option is Control plus F12. Pressing F8 key for 3 times selects a word, a sentence, a paragraph, entire document. And the correct answer is a sentence. Which of the following key is used to delete characters to the left of the cursor? Alt plus delete, shift, escape and backspace. And the correct answer for this is backspace. What does Control plus is equals to key effect? Superscript, subscript, all caps, shadow. And the correct answer for this is subscript. So that's all for this MCQ session on MS Word. Thanks for watching and stay connected.